English 6, Term 1, Week 1, Day 2. Elements of the story: tone, mood, and purpose of the author. Possible endings of literary text read. Learning objectives: 1. Identify the important elements of the story, such as setting, characters, plot, point of view, and theme. 2. Determine tone, mood, and purpose of the author. 3. Identify possible endings of literary text read. Let us have a quick review. Directions: answer the following questions. 1. What are the elements of the story? 2. What are the parts of the plot? Today, we will discuss point of view. Who is telling the story? Point of view is the perspective from which a story is told. It tells us who is narrating the story. A story can be told in three different ways. First person. The narrator is a character in the story. It uses I, me, my, we, us, our. Example: I went to the market with my mother. Second person. The narrator speaks directly to the reader. Uses you, your. Example: you walked to school early today. Third person. The narrator is not part of the story. Uses he, she, they, it, or names. Example: she played with her friends in the park. Remember, the point of view helps the reader understand the story better by knowing who is telling it. First person: I, me, we, our, mine. Use for personal opinions, evaluations, and experiences. Second person: you, your. Use for directly instructing the readers. Third person: he, she, it, they, him, his, her, they. Use for generalizing experiences or situations. Example: I have come to this place many times. Nothing has changed. I can still feel the gentle breeze that lifts my sorrows away whenever I come here. First person point of view uses I, me, we, our, mine. Second person point of view example: the images you see are those of your forgotten history. You have conquered a lot in your journey for you to stop now. You can either move forward or go back to your misery. Second person uses you, your. Second person point of view speaks directly to the reader. Third person point of view example: he slowly walks as he approaches the front door. He could hear two people talking inside the room. He was so afraid of what he could possibly see. He turned the knob and held his breath for a moment. The highlighted pronouns he, his show third person point of view. Now let's have another element of a story, which is the theme. The theme is the message behind the story. The theme is the element of the story that addresses the central message of the story. It is the message that the author wants to express or convey. In simple terms, it is what the readers learn from the story. Remember, the theme helps us understand the story better. It's a message, not a subject. A subject is a topic, like friendship or courage. A theme is a complete sentence expressing an opinion on that topic, such as true friendship requires sacrifice. Some of the common themes are the following: love is important, always tell the truth, money can't buy happiness, don't judge people based on their looks, there's always good and bad in this world, family is important and should be protected. Sometimes sacrifice is made for the good of many. Assessment. Directions. Read the passages and write the point of view used. Ways forward. Directions. Choose the possible theme of each text. Write the letter of your answer on the blanks.